Good morning. Behind me, right here, is my dream rug. Hopefully. When I tell you I have been looking at this rug, contemplating if I was about to spend the money on this damn rug for 3 months. Okay, so for this apartment, I ended up taking all of the photos that I took during the initial apartment tour. Went on a hunt for like couches, rugs, coffee tables, chairs, basically just photoshopped all of the furniture directly into the space to see what actually looked good. A green rug actually looked phenomenal in the living room. It just made me feel so calm and like productive, happy. It made me feel safe and just comfortable. And that convinced me to buy this rug. And here it is. It was delivered today. Hopefully this rug really does look like the picture, because I know sometimes the colors can just tell a lie. All right, let's unbox this. I'm scared. Okay, I have Olav's knife and we're gonna open this. Here we go. As soon as I figure this thing out. Here we go. I feel like scissors would honestly work better. Oh yeah, so much better. This is, woo! We're gliding. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Okay, moment of truth. Did I make the right decision? Buying a green rug. Here we go. Oh! Stop. Okay. It's comfy too. It's really nice on the feet. I'm nervous. No! I got my green rug. 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 Okay guys, I cannot tell a lie. This rug is perfect. It's perfect, it's beautiful, it's everything. It is true to the website. I think it looks great. I don't know. Hanley, come feel the rug. You like it on your feet? Do you like the feeling? Okay, I think Hanley likes it. Rug reveal.
Oh shit! That's a nice rug, Hanley. Let's see. A little less green, huh? Mm-hmm. But I do like it. That was a really good pick. You did good. Yes, high five. Good.
Okay, you can probably tell how tired I am just from my face, but my idiot ass. Okay, so I just got home from Target with Olav and I walked through the door and I was just like thinking about Olav and like how long we've been together. And I freaking realized it was our 3-year anniversary 8 days ago. I feel like both of us forgot, and therefore we really didn't do anything to celebrate. Now with that being said, we did have a really nice night a couple nights ago where we opened up a bottle of champagne because we were celebrating getting a mattress. So we celebrated that. My plan is Olav is currently returning some styling he borrowed for a shoot that he did. He's probably gonna be home in like literally less than 20 minutes. I figured I would make some cookies and open a bottle of wine, even though Olav doesn't drink, and I just feel like I should surprise him and be like, happy 3-year anniversary. What the fuck, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. Let's just throw a little Target haul in there while we watch Olav on Find My Friends actively to make sure that he's not getting any closer. The first thing we got from Target are pots. Wait, did I say these are pots? These are pans. Have a bunch of food in the refrigerator getting old because we didn't have pans to cook them in. And I did try to cook them in the pot. I made pancakes in a pot. They honestly turned out okay, but I'm not trying to struggle any longer. So we bought these 2 pots, and this brand is Select Calphalon, Toledo, Ohio, USA. I got a measuring cup. I do like to make lava cakes in the air fryer, which by the way, if you want a recipe for that, oof, insane. The most amazing chocolate lava cakes have come out of my damn air fryer. I also Got a scrub daddy.
We cannot escape, we cannot.
On the way to dinner tonight, I had sweet green for dinner, which by the way, if you have a sweet green near you, try the fish taco bowl with kale instead of arugula and get tofu in it. We passed by a wine store and I've just been craving red wine lately. When you're in an apartment with no furniture and you're just working all day, it is really nice to have like a bottle of wine to just make yourself a little glass at the end of the night. So let's pop these cookies in. Okay, the cookies are here. They're just like little pre-made cookies, nothing special. Olav just texted me that he has one more stop until he heads home. Oh wait, shit, does he mean one more stop on the subway? Oh shit, he's close! Oh fuck! I was gonna take a shower. Oh shit, is he running? I gotta open this wine, oh god, oh god, oh god. Shit, we don't even have a wine opener! Are you oh my gosh, we don't even have a wine opener. I'm a little bit stressed now because just a little bit longer. Okay. Olav is walking down the street right now. He's literally about to cross the street to get to the apartment building. So I have 2 candles burning. I only have 2 candles in the apartment. I wanted it to be like only lit by candlelight. It honestly just looks like really scary if I turn all the lights off. It's just like, it's not enough candlelight. Okay, he's getting closer. I just showered. I shaved my entire body. I need to lotion. I need to brush my teeth. He's in the building. I don't know where to put the camera. I need to hide it. Okay. I hope that's a good angle. The rug can be moved over a little bit. Hi. Okay, good morning. Okay, this is what's up. This morning, first of all, my hair is different. I've been wanting to try DIYing my own like boho braids for quite some time now. If you guys know the model, I think her name is Juliana. She has the most amazing braids all the time. Her hair is definitely like on my hair inspo board to someday, when I have the patience, sit down in a salon and get proper boho braids. You know, some colors, like just have so much fun with it and like live my Bratz doll fantasy. However, I don't have that patience. I wanted to attempt it myself first just to see like if I could do it myself. And this morning, I came to that decision where I was either like, okay, I need to wash my hair today or not wash my hair today and just like see what happens, you know? So first of all, let me know what you think. I know some of y'all are like, let me see the back. Now listen, I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to braids. Who cares? I like it when it looks a little messy anyway and a little DIY because that shows that I'm doing it myself, you know? I don't need nobody. I did these braids in like 30 minutes. I did 13 of them. I finished the braids. I had a meeting this morning with a really cool brand and my bedroom rug came and my bed frame came. My office desk came. So today's a big day for the apartment. We don't have a desk chair yet, which I need to figure out like kind of ASAP because I can't use a desk without a chair. It's gonna be a good day. Anyway, let's go to the bedroom. They said it couldn't be done. They said I would need a friend to help me. They said wait for Olav to come back from his business trip. Oh, by the way, Olav flew out this morning. He's left me all alone to deal with these deliveries by myself. And let me tell you, this mattress, it is fucking heavy. It is not the same mattress that I had back in the day that I could just, my lip gloss is not letting me make a pop noise. It's just, oh, that makes me angry. I almost gave up this morning because I was like, you know what? There's no way I'm gonna be able to hoist this mattress up. I would like push it up and then it would just like flop back down. But I realized later in the day, the trick is to put it on its side. But I'm gonna go downstairs, get the bed frame, and we can finish this bad boy off. Let me show you this rug though. I went with the yellow rug. I went with a gold rug from CB2. And this rug was not cheap. This rug was a pretty penny. It wasn't as expensive as the green one. I don't know, a nice rug could possibly change your life. So I was a little bit nervous going with the yellow just because it is a daring choice. I feel like most people would just like go with a white or like go with a cream. But I just feel like living in New York, we have like this insane view. I just feel like it would be an injustice to not go bold and do something like daring and fun, because this is an apartment of like new beginnings. It's an apartment of like who I want to be, not who I am. And I feel like the person who I want to be is someone that has a really fun rug. So cool thing about this bed is it is the easiest bed in the world to set up. So basically, you just get the bed frame, you just slide the bed frame over your existing one. It's literally that easy. It takes like 2 seconds. The headboard is so easy too. Holy shit! Go, please, no! Please, no, please. Oh no. Oh no. Ugh. Please. Oh my God. Woo!